Today I'm going to show you how to VLOOKUP multiple columns using one formula. Type sequence. We want the sequence to run over 3 columns, adding 1 each time. As you can see, all 3 columns have been populated with one formula. You can even change the name and the data will change accordingly. Thank you for watching. Visit datadrivenconsultant.com for more Excel tips.